Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Believe it or not, these 3 trays are the last of the seedlings that I started over the winter. Thank goodness, that was an awful lot of seedlings to get planted. But these are 3 trays of cosmos. I planted a bunch of different varieties, and you know, they're looking kind of leggy and a little sad. So I want to tell you what to do if this happens to you. They're the last thing that I'm getting in the ground that I planted. They're ones that I wasn't able to plant up to bigger pots. They're kind of tipping over, but the good thing with cosmos is you don't have to worry about that. So I am going to pull one of my cosmos out. Here it is in this nice little brown pot, and I'm like, oh, look at this. Those little flowers, they are past. They're sad. If you have one like that, that is okay. We don't worry because I'm going to deadhead the dead ones, which means I'm just plucking. Oh, and if you pluck off more, we don't worry about that either. And these are like tomatoes. So tomatoes you plant really, really deep. We talked about the clematis being planted really, really deep. You can pluck off the, oops, my dirt is falling apart. The bottom parts, the top parts, and then plant it really deep. It will grow roots out the side, and you have saved your problem of it being very leggy because now it's going to start the plant up higher. Cosmos, most varieties are 3 to 4 feet. I've seen some get 5 feet. Let's hope not 6 feet. I think one of these kinds only is 2 to 3 feet, and the others are up to 4 feet. I don't need them to be more leggy than they already are. So I can go through, I can carefully pull them out. Oh, there's like 4 plants here. They are not happy. I'm gonna plant it really deep, 4 or 5 inches down, and I just pluck off any of the part on the bottom. There we go, and I'm going to put them in the ground. When you plant your cosmos, you really should give them some space too. We don't have space in my little trays here. It has been kind of sad. You really should go by their spacing recommendations, which most of the time are about 18 inches apart. So I would say at the closest, you're doing about a foot apart. These are going to be so much happier getting them in the ground. So gardeners have a lot on their plate this time of year, and if your cosmos have gotten a tad out of control, thank goodness they are one of the flowers that we can still salvage how they look. So I'm going to go and get these planted. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.